guys have caught this one. They realize that one little piano note that gets a reaction, then they use it. As soon as the girl can tell that you're using something to elicit a reaction from her, it stops working. So you gotta mix it up, okay? The next tool, and this one that we just talked about, is storytelling. Now let's see here. How many guys here think that they use storytelling? Put your hands up. A few of you. That's right. The reason why most guys don't use it is this. Launching into stories is weird. It feels weird. Just to walk up to someone and start talking, it's strange. What storytelling does is it allows the girl sort of like a window, an aquarium, to look in at you and see what your personality's like.